Represent. I'm on day 14. What about you?
I was working out straight. Oh shit, well I'm back at it today. I was yesterday off.
Yes, sir? Take a rest day? That's cute. I'm gonna take a rest day.
Yeah, well.
I take 2 a week. Alright guys, day 14. Getting in. I hit up Dylan, asked him if he wanted to work out. Of course. Right? We both have our goals. What is your goals as far as fitness goes?
GQ magazine. I'm just joking.
You
Stay
never
fit, stay healthy, man. Stay functional. Body in motion stays in motion. Stay active. Set a good example for my kid.
That's your why, right?
Mm-hmm.
My goals is to... Actually, I have my goals. I already talked about that kind of stuff. But let's get into what keeps you motivated. Because I know you've been coming here and going hard for a decent time now. What keeps you going and how do you get that?
I think honestly, like just waking up feeling good, man. Like not feeling like crap. Wake up in the morning, keeps me going. That feeling, that euphoria of just once you get that workout done, then you're ready for your day. You feel great. You get to work. You're more active. Your brain's more on point. Like I said, just again, my why, my kid keeps me going.
Set an example, but you also want to live long, right? Perfect, man. That's a great why and a great way to stay on top of it. But day 14. Trying to hit 100, or I am going to hit 100. Staying healthy, eating right, getting in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate you joining with me today.
Hey, man, it was a pleasure.
You'll see in the video. We're getting it. Ask4TJ.
Ask for this guy right here. Ask4TJ.